Ew, okay, wait. Hold on. I need a minute.
That is so gross.
It's delicious.
Ew.
I'm gonna gargle a little bit to loosen up my vocal cords. Now I can sing. You heard that? Okay? This is just like, it feels like a microphone to me. Like I just want to belt it out. All I want. Yager's also singing.
It's for you to subscribe.
Period. Okay? Welcome back to Hot Girl Kitchen.
I'm Melissa.
Oh, and I'm Matt, and I'm also eager to get started with our Christmas special.
Woo!
So, today, is today December 1st? I think so. For the whole month of December, we will be posting Christmas-themed items. So, today, we're getting started with a cocktail.
Yeah.
Because we're very excited to pregame for Christmas. We will be doing a few options for the Feast of the Seven Fishes if you partake in that traditional Italian fare. If not, fear not, there will be another cocktail coming, as well as a little meaty surprise.
Meaty surprise. So we are ready to give you our Christmas extravaganza because we know you love the Thanksgiving extravaganza.
And we know after that vocal rendition that you all click the subscribe button. So we're thankful for you subscribing to us. So our gift for you for the holiday season is a month of fabulous content.
And not only that, when I say we are bringing to you some of our best dishes yet, I'm not exaggerating by any means.
Not even a little.
The most fabulous, gourmet, extravagant dishes that we are going to probably do so far. So,
as we stand in our most fabulous, extravagant outfits, as you can see, the Christmas spirit is not limited to our cuisine. We also are having some Christmas looks, okay?
We serve the glam Christmas looks.
Period. Okay. Well, come on, Fox Fur, let's get started. Well, we are making a peppermint chocolate martini. I can already feel the alcohol poisoning coming, especially since I've had a few guzzles of this. This is quite literally a dangerous cocktail. You will, just be chugging it, and all of a sudden it'll hit you, and you're really spirited. Okay, so all you're gonna need is some peppermint vodka. This is actually kind of hard to find once December comes, so I buy it up when I see it in June, as soon as I see it in the liquor store. If you can't find this peppermint vodka, my mother did a DIY peppermint vodka. She got Tito's or whatever, whatever your brand is, and crushed up mints, peppermints, and put them in a mason jar. I don't know how long she left it in there. I would say at least a day.
That's something.
Yeah, and I mean, it was good at the time, but don't leave it for a year, because when I made these at home, we were going to use that peppermint vodka, and we opened it, and it smelled like hooch. So I was like, I think we might go blind.
Alcohol poisoning.
So, no, we're sponsored as Smirnoff. It's actually Scratch and Sniff. I wish the fans at home could have their smell-o-vision.
Wow.
So we're feeling quite festive, is the moral of the story. So we have our Scratch and Sniff bottle of peppermint vodka. We have some very deluxe Godiva chocolate liqueur. There are some cheaper versions that you could buy of a chocolate liqueur.
They're not good.
But we just reached for the top shelf. As you know, we do here, because we are the top shelf, okay?
And if you really cannot find any chocolate liqueur, you could do rum chata mixed with the chocolate syrup to kind of give it that similar chocolate liqueur situation. It's not the same, but
That is a good tip. So we have given them many alternatives for our 2 alcohols. What you can't have an alternative for, though, is some half and half. I guess you could do, like, I don't know, heavy cream would be too heavy.
Too much.
But maybe just milk, I don't know. Because it's going to mix with your delicious cocoa powder. You can also just use hot chocolate mix. And it's kind of like making a cold hot chocolate in your cocktail shaker. You're also going to need a drizzle of chocolate syrup. And then, obviously, some appropriate stemware. And then to rim our glasses for a nice festive rim job, we're going to melt some chocolate. I'm using milk chocolate because that's my preference, but you can also do dark chocolate, white chocolate if you're a sicko. And then candy canes.
Which we did crush up, and we're ready to give our glasses a little rim job.
Okay, my little hot girl elf, let's get started with our festive rim job. The last time I did this, it was a very messy experience, so I'm having Melissa do it instead. We melted some of our chocolate bar just in the microwave, like nice and easy. And she is just coating the edges of our glass with that. And then she's going to dip it right into our peppermint experience, perhaps, and maybe get the rim coated a little. See why it's kind of awkward? It's like difficult. Okay, who's ready for some good old festive alcohol poisoning?
Me.
How did I know you were? Okay, so as you can see, Melissa ever so lovingly rimmed our glasses and did a fabulous job. We actually popped them in the freezer for a minute after we did the rimming to kind of set the chocolate and the mint, the peppermint. It's a little bit imperfect.
Messy. It's a little messy.
But you know what? None of you are perfect at home either. I know you're on Santa's naughty list, so it's fine. We're joining you on the list. So I'm going to add 1 shot,
2 ounces.
2 ounces of our peppermint vodka, and I actually lied. I'm going to add 3 ounces because this is going to get really chocolatey really quick. So we want our peppermint flavor to still kind of like shine through. Oh my. I kind of have a lot of things in my hands right now. I'm getting nervous. Okay. 2 ounces of our chocolate liqueur. And then we're going to do 2 ounces.
Wait, don't shake it.
Yeah, you shake it, girl. Listen.
It curdles, though.
I'm going to curdle you. It's not curdling here. No, ma'am. You need to shake it or else it doesn't become chocolate with the cocoa powder. 2 ounces of half and half, which we're going to curdle when we shake it, according to Melissa, but that's okay because it's still going to be delicious.
We did say that in our last video when we made our last cocktail with half and half, that you never shake it.
Rules are meant to be broken. A nice spoonful of our cocoa powder. Ghirardelli. Only the best. Then we're going to do just a drizzle of our chocolate sauce. And that's going to not only give it a little bit of a chocolatey flavor, not that this is lacking any chocolate flavor, but it's also going to give it a little bit of a chocolatier look. Chocolatier is a word. So now we're going to go ahead and shake, shake, shake. I feel like Melissa normally has all the fun with the shaking. I can't quite back it up in these suit pants. They're about 3 sizes too small. And now we're going to go ahead and pour it right into our glass. And you know what? This could use
a nice little
How festive. Although maybe I could cut it down the side. Oh wait,
or
maybe
hang
it on the side.
Yeah. Hang it off the.
Look at that.
Perfect.
Your fave could absolutely never in a million years. Well, these look quite delicious if I do say so myself. Chocolatey, pepperminty, I mean...
What more could you want?
I've never seen anything like it. Let's have a sample. Mmm.
That is delightful.
That tastes like Christmas in a cup, quite frankly.
You know what else it tastes like? Severe alcohol poisoning that your fave could never in her life
recover from.
Never. She would end up in the hospital, done, gone, out.
Okay, well, it's not that. Like, okay, you make it sound like a bad thing. To us, that's a good thing. Okay?
Yeah, that's what we would love.
That's what we would like. That's what we aspire to. Yeah, okay. So, but we are going to recover from our alcohol poisoning so we can continue filming fabulous segments for the rest of our Christmas special.
And like we said,
make sure you're subscribing
glamorous.
For this extravagant glamour. And every Tuesday and Thursday. It's almost like Advent, like the Advent calendar. You open a new door every day, or like Hanukkah. Like it's like, how many days are there in Hanukkah? 9. You open a gift every day of Hanukkah. Every Tuesday and Thursday, you'll be opening a gift to the tune of a video from Hot Girl Kitchen. We look forward to. What do we look forward to? Spending our holidays with you.
Yeah, exactly.
I have to say, it's actually really cute. A lot of people reached out to me on Thanksgiving, or like around Thanksgiving time, and we're actually like, this might be our first Thanksgiving because of COVID-19. A lot of people's like plans got canceled. This might be the first time they're cooking Thanksgiving food, or if not, they could just use a little tune-up. And a lot of people were like, we're actually watching your stuff and making it for Thanksgiving.
Quite a few people made the corn dish.
A lot of people. And I actually was recognized at a local establishment. And they let me know that their daughter was using our turkey tutorial to make her first turkey because she couldn't come home for Thanksgiving. So I was like, wow, I feel like I'm spending time with you guys. Like, that's actually kind of meaningful. Like, we're, like, helping people on the holidays. Like,
that's what we're here for. We're here to entertain, and we're here to teach.
We're also fame whores, so we're also here...
for you to subscribe.
Yes, and watch our videos and click like and comment below. All of the above. Cheers to that.
Ho, ho, ho.
Happy holidays.
Real hot girl shit.